In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust Zoom hardware acceleration for video processing on your PC. First, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure you're already logged in, because some settings are only available after you sign in. Once the app is open, look for your profile area, usually a small avatar or your initial near the top of the window, and click it to open the menu. From there, choose Settings to open Zoom's preferences. Inside Settings, find and click Meetings and Webinars. This is where Zoom groups the options that affect how your meetings look and run. When that page opens, scroll all the way down to the bottom. At the very end, click Advanced. Here you'll find a section called Performance. Inside Performance, look for the line that says Use Hardware Acceleration for. Under that heading, locate Video Processing. That is the specific control we're focusing on today. Before you change anything, here's what this means. Hardware acceleration lets Zoom hand off certain video tasks from your computer's main processor to your graphics hardware. In practical terms, it can help smooth out your video, keep your frame rate steady, and reduce the load on your CPU, especially during high-definition calls, virtual backgrounds, or when multiple video tiles are on screen. If you enable hardware acceleration for video processing, Zoom will lean on your GPU to handle effects and compositing. On many modern systems, that results in crisper motion, fewer dropped frames, and more headroom for other apps running at the same time. It can be especially helpful if you use HD video, background blur, or filters. However, on some computers, particularly those with older or finicky graphics drivers, turning it on may introduce glitches like brief black screens, flickering content, stuttering, or increased fan noise and heat. If you notice those symptoms right after enabling it, that's a sign your graphics hardware may not play nicely with this feature. If you disable hardware acceleration for video processing, Zoom will keep the work on your CPU. This can stabilize video on systems with problematic GPUs and may reduce graphics-related heat. It can also be beneficial on devices where the graphics chip is easily saturated. The trade-off is higher CPU usage, which can make your system feel busy and, under heavy load, can lead to choppier video, lower frame rates, or slower background effects. The best approach is to choose the setting that keeps your video smooth and your system responsive. If things get laggy or show artifacts with it on, try turning it off. If your CPU spikes and video stutters with it off, turn it on. That's it. You now know where to find the setting and what each choice does.